Welcome back to another video. And now let us solve one more problem. So in this problem, we need to find the policy which has the highest claim amount. There can be little tweaking in this question, but we will keep it as it is as of now. We need to find the policy which has the highest claim amount. Meaning to say policy can have multiple claims, but out of which is the highest we need to find out. So now let us simply start with our base things, which is we need to define our method, which will have a return type as a void highest claim, and then we are going to open our optional. Why optional? Because we don't we will, it might return us a null, so we don't want it to be throw us an error. That's why we are using optional in here. Nothing special. So now insurance policy dot policy, and then I open our stream, and then now here what are we going to do is we need to open our flat map, and then we are going to open our insurance policy dot get claims. We need to get our claims, and then we need to open our stream again. So once we open our stream again, we need to get the max operator. In the max operator, we are going to use comparator, and whereas we are going to use comparing double because we need to use comparator, not collector. Comparator dot comparing double because our value will be in double because our amount is in double. And then we are going to use claim, and then method reference use our amount. Perfect, simple. And now we are going to use this logic that if highest claim is if present, if present, then we need to use our claim, and then we need to sys out the highest claim. Very simple. Highest claim amount. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I guess and I believe that you will be learning a lot in upcoming future. Claims dot claims dot get amount. Perfect. Now let us point our method in our controller and just simply rerun it. Fire our API. So our claim amount is $15,000. Now let us do some play around a bit our JSON because we haven't done any changes in our JSON. So this is the highest claim, and you see, as I told earlier, that we can tweak the logic a bit. We can also have that in total. If we add just one wording here, our logic will sort of corrupt. I would say will not work as per the question because right now we are only seeing the highest claim amount. We can also have the number of total claims made actually. So then if you see here right now, this person has made $15,000 claim, whereas this person have not made any claim which is greater than $15,000, but eventually he has made claim. If we calculate this amount, sum this amount, then he has definitely made more than $15,000. Okay, so that is one more so question we might solve in the next, or maybe you could use this as a problem to solve by yourself, or comment down how you solve this problem so that others can also know how to solve this problem. Anyhow, so now let us change a bit and let us see what will happen if we make this to 5,000. I want to see. I believe my code will not work or will work. Let us see. Let us see whether our code will work or not. Okay, we have restarted it and then we will fire the API. Okay, it is working. It is working as expected. As you could see that earlier it was giving us claim amount was 15K, and now it is giving us claim amount as 10K, which is this claim amount. But you see there is one more catch here. Now we see that's how when you are in an interview or when you are in real world environment, right? And now you could see, right, highest claim amount is 10K, which is this amount. Okay, now technically this claim is actually rejected, so I can have a condition whereas my claim shouldn't be rejected, only approved, or I would say pending claims are allowed, something like that. We could have such kind of logic in here. And we can also have that rejected claims. That is, so we can have a only find approved claim or only find like that. So yeah, I was saying that we can also have such a logic, and this is also, you could consider it a problem which you can solve by yourself, or if not, you can put down in the comment section below. Otherwise, in upcoming videos, I'm going to solve that problem.